Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss about basic stuff in Microsoft Word. Basically, Word can be used to type letters, write paragraphs, uh, organizing a documentation, writing a reports, and a lot of things you can do there. So in Microsoft Word, you can we will start with the part of formatting the text. So let's assume I write something. Welcome to Microsoft Word. My name is Mohammed. So let's assume that this line, uh, first of all, the formatting part, you can select either part of the text or you can select all the text. And automatically there is a bar coming for formatting this text. So B is for bold. So once you click on B, it will be bold color and bold size. I is considered for italic, so you can see the text is italic. And this is for underline, so you can see the line underline there. You can change the size. Let's assume this is 20. Right? You can change the color to this color. You can even make a background if you would like to have one, right? And in addition, the style either it's a title or it's a subtitle, or if it is book title or so on. All right, this is for the formatting. Even you can change the text style. So from here we can go, for example, to this format and so on. All right, what you can see here, underline. So there is a space between D and the comma. So right click on it and it will give you the correction and the line will go. So in case that you type something which is wrong spelling, for example, home, and you type double, there is an option to autocorrect. But what if you type home in this way and you add one letter I is a wrong spelling? So you will see a red underline shown there. Right click on it and it will give you the possible options. So do you need homey, do you need home, or you need homes? So in our case, home. I will click on it and it will correct it. Now this text is here, this word is here in the middle, so I can ask to centralize it or make it on the right pan from here, or align it to the right or left or in the middle. This position is here. From this one, even I can change the font style from this option here under home. Right click or click on it, and you can notice whenever you move on the text, just move the mouse and you can see how the word looks different with the different font style. As you can see, you can increase the size by using this A, the big A and small a, so it's adjusting the size, or you can reducing it. It's up to you there. What if I need the same format for this word here? I mean the first line, for the color, the format, the underline, everything's to apply on home word. So what you can do, either you select part of it or you select the whole sentence, doesn't make difference. So select one word and go to Format Painter. If you click one on it, you will notice the mouse. See, when you bring the mouse, will show the painter and assign it here, and it will get copy all the formatting of the first line to the second line. Of course, in Microsoft Word now, if you are typing home is good, for example, and if you click enter and you jump to the third line, it will use the same formatting. So this is for test. Alright, so it will get the format. If you don't want to use the same format, just try to double click on the empty space here and align it to the left, and you can start typing this is a test. Still, now the highlighting, I can make it no color, so it will take it out. Alright, what you can do also in Microsoft Word, you can write many sentences. So for example, there is 5 apples, and full stop, enter. For example, we have a meeting tomorrow. Okay, so now as you can see, you have 3 sentences. You can have bullets assigned to it. So you select all of them, you go to this icon here, bullets, and you can select either this round bullet or empty round, square, or this icon, or this one, or even you can select another. This is the correct mark, let's assume. Okay, so whenever you type if you go to the if you go to the last of this line and you press enter, you will get the bullets ready there. So you can add a new task, for example, and so on. Whenever you type enter, it will automatically come as a bullet. You can go back to delete it. Now, if you can see, even in Microsoft Word, it's not correcting only the spelling of the words, it also corrects the grammar. So if you look here, there is 5 apples, but it's supposed to be there are 5 apples. So if you come to the is, you will see double blue underline, double lines. That means it's a grammar issue. If it is a red line, it's a spelling issue. So right click on it and it will give you the option R. And here we go. Now in Microsoft Word also there is an option to insert a table. So you can see here insert, and you can add a table. Here you can say, for example, name, age, and school name. So you can add, for example, the first one, Adam. His age is 7 years old, and the school is national school. So what if you need to add another student? So simply you can click on anywhere inside the table, right click, and you click insert a row below. So row below, it will insert here an empty line. If you click on Adam and you click insert row above, it will insert empty above. It's above Adam. Once you click on inside the table, you will see this icon. If you click on it, it will select all the table, and it will give you very basic table stuff. I mean, for formatting the table. So you can make all of them bold, or even all of them are centralizing the table itself. You can make it italic, as you can see. You can change the color to green, and even you can fill these tables with the different backgrounds like this. Alright, Here is an option that where you can insert a row, so either below or above. You can see up, this is below, or you can insert, so for example left, so you can insert the same one. Now if you did a change that you need to delete or go back, simply you come to this icon here, undo insert, it will return back to the same last move. Alright, from the table design here, you can have a lot of designs, so you can select this one, or even this, or this one. You can select all of them and change from the home the font color to orange or brown, and so on. The same way you can insert a picture. So from this computer you can insert a picture. Let's assume this picture. You can resize this picture, and there is under picture format. So if you click on the picture itself, picture format, so there is another picture format that it will look good. So you can keep the picture, and you can see, can centralize it. So this is for centering the stuff. This is align to left, and this is to the right. Yeah, so this is a very simple task. Even you can have a frame for it. So under picture format, there is a lot of features and options that you can do. Alright, here also this one, you can change the light of this photo. So whenever you increase the light, so it will, for example, this one is like plus 20 brightness. This one looks like more, and this is darker, and this is the standard one, which is 0%. I mean the original photo. This photo can be copied, so you right click, copy, and you can come down and paste. Right click, paste. So you'll have two pictures. Of course it will jump to the second page because mouse cannot move. I mean there is no space for the second picture to come here. So if I remove these two parts, the picture can be brought or taken to the first page. Alright. Now what if you need to add a frame of your page? The frame, it can be in the design. First of all, under design page or tab, you can add a page borders from here. Click on it. Now under page borders, what you can see here, you need first of all to select the line. Let's assume I select this one, or the width of it. If there is any art, so let's assume I will select this star art, so it will look like this. Now I can click on one of them, so I can show the page like up and down only, and this is applied to either this section or first page only, or all except first page, or whole document. Whole documents, that means if you have 10 pages, it will apply for everything. So let's say OK. So you can see here the stars comes on the top and comes in the last of the page. So if you go to the border design again, you can add one here, and you see, so it will look in this way. And if you can add for all, so it will look in this way. Alright. Now this is the arts. You can see a lot of options there, a lot of designs, which is built in Microsoft Word. and there is an option to select either of the sides around the page. All right, so this is the basic stuff in Word, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope it is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching.